Bani Raqqa. My mother, who was born in Iran, lived with me and my husband for 20 years. We have lived in different states and now live in South San Francisco. My mother, whose name is Effat Saduqi, died recently, and at the end of September, the family gathered together to celebrate her life. While we were gathered around her grave, we were overwhelmed with sadness and sorrow, and we were all upset. Then a red shouldered hawk chased a small bird across the sky. The small bird flew right through the wall of family and landed on my mother's grave. We were all surprised and amazed. The small bird sat on the grave for a long time. We started laughing and giggling and touching the bird. We felt that the bird was a gift for all of us and at this sad time. Because my mother loved birds, the bird reminded us to accept the inevitability of our loss and to celebrate my mother's life by remembering all the good times instead of focusing on our sorrow and sadness.